Very warm greetings to all of you, my friends. Myself, Madhu Shailesh Kumar, and up till now we have discussed the geographical basic concepts in which we have seen different types of latitudes, longitudes, air, water, its conservation. Okay, so we have seen different types of and different concepts, and that is very basic in the geography. In this video lecture, we are going to see India, its location, its size, Indian Standard Meridian, as well as Indian and its neighbor. So let us start. So with the location, you can see that India is located in the northern hemisphere. With the help of globe, we can see that India is located in the northern hemisphere, and especially in the southern part of continent of Asia. So this is the southern part continent of Asia. Be specific, I can show you with drawing, I say. Yeah, this drawing tool. So yeah, this is, if I make a 4 line like that, this is the north part, this is the west part, this is the east part, and this is the south part. You can see India is located in the northern hemisphere, and especially this is the center. So this is the Central Asia, you can say. The most important fact is also that this India, yeah, this is here it is India. So India is located in the Asia, and the border of Asia is touching with the Europe. So this part, that is the border of Asia and Europe, is also known as Eurasia. So that was the main thing over here. The mainland of India extends between latitudes of 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degree 6 minutes north, and the longitudes of 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. We can see this from this map. Yes, this is the map, and you can see this, that in this map here it is 66 degree, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is the 66 degree 7 minute, as well as this is the 97 degree 25 minutes from this part of Gujarat to this part of Arunachal Pradesh, I can say. Similarly, if you have a close look, then you can see that this is the 37 degree 6 minute from the Jammu Kashmir, and this that is the last part, the downmost part, that is the of Kanyakumari, 8 degree 4 minutes south. So this is the 4 points, the 4 most points of India. Okay, that is the foremost point of India. So if we talk about the size, so it has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is the 7th largest country of the world and 6th largest country from the decreasing order, just like Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. And India accounts about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Similarly, it has a total land boundary of 15,1200 km. You can see this is the map of India. Yes, you can see. Okay, so this is the map of India, and in this map you can see there are so many neighbors of India: Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh as well. And the islands of India are Lakshadweep Island as well, and this is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, if you can see this specifically. Okay, the coastline of India stretches along the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. You can see the coastline of India is from the Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west. If I can show you with the drawing. Yes, you can see this. This is Bay of Bengal and this is Arabian Sea. This is our coastline. This is our coastline that is stretched from Bay of Bengal to Arabian Sea. As well as there are 2 islands of India, that is Lakshadweep, India, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. So being specific with time, if I talk about the time, so how the time being decided. So in 1 hour there is 15 minutes, and in 2 hours there is 30 minutes. So from the part of Gujarat, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes, that is the part of Gujarat, and from Arunachal Pradesh 97 degree 25 minutes. So what is the difference between Gujarat and the degree of Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh? It is somehow almost 30 degree, you can say. 30 degree means 2 hours of difference. So I can say that there is between 2 hours of difference between Gujarat and Myanmar. Okay, that has been the 2 hour of difference. So the sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh about 2 hours earlier as compared to the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, you can say, or you can say Gujarat also. Okay, so there is just 2 hour difference of sun rising as well as sun setting between both two states. So that is the difference of this. The next thing is that the maximum length of the mainland from the north to south is about 3214 kilometers. As you can see, this is from this part, yes, from this part to this, you can see this is 3214 kilometers. Similarly, from this part of Gujarat to this part, Arunachal Pradesh, it is somehow latitudinal distance of 2933 kilometer. Okay, that is it. So India's total length of coastline is 6100 km of its mainland, and after including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, it is about 7516 km. So you can see this distance is 6100 kilometers. Including Lakshadweep and Andaman, that is 7516 km. So India's territorial limit further extends towards the sea up to 12 nautical miles if we'll just consider the coast also. Okay, now let us talk about the Indian Standard Meridian. So what is Indian Standard Meridian? So as I just talk about the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan and Manipur, there is the 2 hours difference of time. It means that 2 hours of early sunrise there in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 hours of late sunrise in Gujarat, or we can say Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. But it is exactly so. That is not the thing. It is not like that, because if you can say that the sun rising in the Arunachal Pradesh is at 7 o'clock, so it should be Jaisalmer in 8 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock, that's it. But it is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. There is a fixed standard time. That standard time is being decided by 82 degree 30 minutes meridian crossing through Mirzapur city of Uttar Pradesh is taken as the Indian Standard Time. Okay, so that is the standard time. So ये हमारा Indian Standard Time रहेगा. मतलब जो स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन पास हो रहा है मिर्जापुर से, वही पूरे इंडिया के लिए टाइम प्रीफर करेगा. जैसे कि 7 बजे अगर जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में सनराइज हो जाता है, तो 9 बजे यहाँ पे सनराइज नहीं होगा. सनराइज वहां पे भी उतने ही, मतलब 9 बजे ही होगा, लेकिन टाइम हम एक्चुअली एक ही रखेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे इंडिया में हर जगह अगर जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में 7 बजा हुआ है, तो इंडिया के हर पार्ट में भी 7 o'clock ही बजा हुआ होगा. सो इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इज अहेड ऑफ ग्रीनविच, दैट इज 0 डिग्री और प्राइम मेरिडियन, मीन टाइम बाय 5 hours 30 minutes. So that is the thing. Tropic of Cancer, that is lie on the 23 degree 30 minute, passes through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Tripura and Mizoram. So there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 states. So इंडिया के 7 स्टेट से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास होता है. इंडिया के 7 स्टेट से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास होता है. तो इसको आप याद कर लीजिएगा, बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट the Indian neighbors. But before talking about India and its neighbor, I think I have left one point. Yeah, the point is the difference in latitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night. So that is being dependent on the latitudinal as well as the longitudinal extent, how it's been day, how it's been night. So that is totally based on that latitudinal extent. Okay. Now if I'm talk about the neighbors, India has 29 states, 6 UTs and 1 national capital territory. It means our Delhi, that is the capital of India, is also a UT and also a capital of India. So India is bounded by young fold mountains, that is Great Himalayas in the north and the east. Throughout the history, India's connection with other parts of the world has been heavily influenced by waterways and also the mountain passes. So India shares its international boundaries with Afghanistan, Pakistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan in the north and northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. So island countries like Sri Lanka and Maldives are India's neighbor across the sea, but it is the India's neighbor. Sri Lanka is an island nation located off the southern coast of India in South Asia, and it is bordered by Indian Ocean. India and Sri Lanka are separated by the water body called the Palk Strait. If you can see Palk Strait here, yeah, this is the Palk Strait. Okay, and it is just surrounded by the Bay of Bengal coastline as well as the Arabian Sea. Yes, this is the part. And the strait that is separating Sri Lanka and India, that is known as a Palk Strait. So Maldives is a chain of islands located southwest of Sri Lanka and India in the Indian Ocean. So credit goes to Tutorials Point because I have taken the PDF from Tutorials Point. So that's it for today's video lecture. We'll meet in the next video lecture. Bye bye.